Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna share you a story that will improve your listening skills. So please listen it carefully. So let's begin. Once upon a time, a man who was very unhappy with his life. His life was always full of sorrows. Because of this, he was very sad. One day, one of his friends told him that a very wise Jain monk is staying nearby town for few days. He suggested him to meet the monk for his problem. Initially, the man was reluctant to meet the monk, but then he thought there is no harm to meet the monk, so he decided to meet the monk. Next day, the man went to the monk at his place. When the man entered the room, he saw that the monk just finished his meditation and was sitting peacefully on a simple cloth mat. The man bowed down to him and sat in front of him. Then he said, "Sir, my life is full of sorrows." Then he told the list of problems he had to the monk, one by one. Then the man said, "I have so many problems in my life due to which I am always sad." After that, man became silent and waiting for the monk to speak. The monk looked at the man with compassion, thought for a moment, and then he said, "Friend, can you tell me how many red colors are in this room?" The man was surprised to hear this from the monk. He was thinking that I was asking the solution for my question, and he is asking me unnecessary question. But still unwillingly, he looked around and counted red colors in the room. Then said, "There are many things in the red color in this room." Then he explained, "Sir, this pillow is red color, that apple is red color, and your slipper are also red color. And apart from this, there are many red colored things here." Monk said, "Okay, now without looking anywhere, tell me how many blue colors are in this room." The man was confused listening to this. Then he said, "Sir, how can I tell this without seeing again?" "Why?" asked the Jain monk. Then he continued, when you were looking for red colors, did not notice the blue color?" Then the man said, "No, sir. When I was looking for red color, I was focused only on red colors thing. Therefore, I could not notice the blue colors in this room." Listening to this, monk smiled and said, "Friend, this is the answer of your question. Our life is also like that. You will get what you will look for." While you were looking for red colors, your mind was totally focused on finding the red color things. So you could not see any other color. But you were much focused on red color, so you haven't noticed any blue color. Similarly, our life is also a combination of both happiness and sorrow. But you have focused your attention so much on sorrows. Happiness and sorrows are two sides of a coin. If there is no happiness in the life, then how can be sorrow? It is not that there is no happiness in your life, but you have focused much on sorrow, that you don't see the happiness in your life. Therefore, change your perspective of looking at the life. If you focus your attention on happiness instead sorrow, you will find it. I hope you enjoyed this story. Thank you so much, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.